Did you know a Roman force of just 3,000 soldiers once defeated an enemy army more than 3 times its size by attacking at night? During the Marcomannic Wars in the late 2nd century AD, Roman legions faced the fierce Marcomanni, a Germanic tribe fighting deep along Rome's northern frontier. Outnumbered and surrounded, a Roman commander made a risky decision: strike in the dark. At nightfall, Roman soldiers moved silently through the forest. Their shields were wrapped to mute sound. Orders were whispered, not shouted. Then, suddenly, the attack began. The Marcomanni camp was thrown into chaos. Fires were knocked over. Warriors woke up confused, unable to form battle lines. Roman discipline made the difference. Trained to fight as a unit, even in darkness, the legions cut through the camp before the enemy could react. By dawn, the Marcomanni force had collapsed, not because they were weaker, but because they were unprepared.